Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. For all you coffee lovers, let me show you what I got here. If you like dark roast coffee, then this Starbucks coffee is a must for you. I love how practical these K-Cup coffee pots are. You just put them in your Keurig and you'll have your coffee done in less than 3 minutes. I also like that this French roast is great for an everyday coffee, especially if you like that full body, smoky flavor, then this is definitely for you. You're also going to notice that this has a delicious note of caramel. This is great if you are a black coffee drinker or if you like adding some cream on your coffee just like I do. I highly recommend this Starbucks coffee. If you love dark roast, then this is definitely for you. But if you don't worry about it. Starbucks has light and medium roasted. They're all delicious. I love each one of them, but that's just my point of view.